Hello traders, the title of the video is how to be on top of FX trading, part 1. How to be on top of FX trading, part 1. FX stands for foreign exchange. We are talking about currencies, dollar, pound, British sterling pound, US dollar, okay, New Zealand dollar. We are talking about the Forex market. How to be on top of FX trading. Today is the 1st of October 2014 and the time in London is 11 minutes past 9 a.m. In New York, 11 minutes past 4 a.m. Happy trading to you all. How to be on top of FX trading, all right? Now, to be on top of something, all right, if I say I'm on top of the FX trading, it means that I understand, okay, FX trading. I know what is, okay, happening in the FX market, okay. I thoroughly, okay, understand what is happening. So to be on top of FX trading, one must understand what is taking place, all right. Talking about technical trading point of view and also fundamental point of view. I also understand who are the market participants, because human beings are placing trade, all right? They have different trading style. Understand how different market participants intervene in the Forex market. So in this video, we're going to share a few tips and tricks that will allow traders, okay, to know how to be on top of FX trading. The first part of this video, we're going to talk about, okay, one of the components of trading that most of the ordinary traders are neglecting: the economy news, all right? The economy news, all right? To be on top of FX trading, one must understand, okay, what moves the Forex market. The economy news move the Forex market. The economy news move the Forex market. Now, if, for instance, we have what I like to call market movers, not in the proper sense of market movers that we already know, talking about financial instruments that move the market. I'm talking about market participants that have the power to move the market, which means when they place a trade, we will see a reaction in the market. They have access to a huge amount of liquidity, and their trade can affect, okay, more than 50% of the FX market, or at least, okay, 40% of the Forex market each time that they intervene in the market. These are the people that I like to call in this video market movers. Market movers, these market participants, trade using the fundamental. They pay attention to the economy news, all right? They will analyze the economy news and they will place a trade. Sometimes they will place the trade before the economy news is released. Sometimes the economy news will be released before they will place a trade, all right? Now, sometimes they make a decision looking ahead, which means economy news that are due in the future, they will be placing a trade according to, okay, these economy news that are not yet released. Sometimes they will place a trade because of the economy news that are already released in the past that a lot of people have already forget. All right, they will place a trade because of the central bank policy taking a long-term positions. So which means buy. We don't want to sell, or sell. We don't want to buy. These are long-term, okay, decisions that these market movers will make. In this video, I want you to understand something very important. What is happening in the Forex market? Why a lot of traders find Forex trading a bit difficult? The reason is the Forex market, okay, is moving, okay, according to the economy news. All right? So, a lot of traders are technical traders, and they find it very difficult to combine the technical analysis and the fundamental. Let's go to Forex Factory. In order to be on top of FX trading, And one must constantly check Forex factory. Take it from me, all right? Take it from me and just try to pay attention to it. You see the green arrow here? It's telling me that at, 4:30 a.m. Eastern Time, that's 9:30 a.m. London time, we have this high impact news. That's why the envelope is red. This is relating to the pound. That's why we have GDP here. All right. If I want to know what is the manufacturing PMI, I will click on the envelope here. All right. And I will read it here. This will allow me to understand the economy news that is about to be released. When I finish to read it, I can close it here. To be on top of the FX trading in this first part, one thing I want you to understand, because I want to record this video to be a very short video so you do not forget. Okay, I want you to get to the point, focusing on the key point. The point I want to focus on today is the ADP Non Farm Employment change, all right? This one here, 8:15 Eastern Time. This concerning the US dollar. It's a high impact economy news, ADP Non Farm Employment change. This is what I want you to understand today, all right? We will, apart from the technical trading, all right, using the chart. When we are talking about technical trading, in order to be on top of Forex trading, one must constantly use the market patterns, the rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. And we don't want to violate, the market patterns, all right? I'm going to change my time frame now, go to the 2-hour chart so I can see more data. In this 2-hour chart, you can see that the dollar yen was in a rising channel. And here it came out of it, and then it's testing the edge of the channel. All right? Okay. I can also project the equal size of the channel here. All right? And draw another channel here. This is about technical trading. And we don't want to violate what? The market patterns. The rising channel, the declining channel, and the horizontal channel. Whether you are using the TSCW24 or any other day trading system, you must always use, the market pattern. So I projected the top channel to the downside. I can also draw the median line of that channel. If I don't want to draw it, I can just be aware of it. So I'm going to color my median line into orange. Here it is, my new channel. So what has happened now, the price came out of the top channel. It's now in the second channel, but it's finding a support along the median line of this channel here. Okay, so going back, so though we are trading the price, we are not trading anything else. We are trading the price. It's the price that we are trading. At the time when we are about to place a trade, we are trading the price. Though we use indicators, we pay attention to the economy news. At the time when we are about to place a trade, we are paying attention to the price. If I want to sell, I want to sell at a resistance zone, either horizontal resistance zone or trend line resistance. All right, key levels. I want to buy at a support level. So if I receive a buy signal, I want to make sure that buy signal is taking place at the support level. How strong is the support? I want to validate whether it's a valid support level or not. Moving on to how to be on top of FX trading. The key point I want you to remember is the ADP Non Farm Employment chain. This economy news, remember, you want to be on top of FX trading? Remember this economy news is released the first week of the month on Wednesdays at 8:15 Eastern Time, 1:15 London time. So you do not ask, if you want to be on top of FX trading, you don't want to play around during the first week of the month, doing your own thing or forgetting completely ADP Non Farm Employment chain. Today, this economy news is due, which is Wednesday, the 1st of October. But can I show you that a lot of traders that are trading Forex, some of them are not aware of it at all. So they are placing their trade, they are buying. If they are new traders, that's fine. I've done it myself. But that's why I'm recording this video today, to draw your attention to this so you can be on top of FX trading. This economy news, the ADP Non Farm Employment change. Let's check by time. I'm doing okay. All right. This economy news is due on Wednesday, first Wednesday of each month. Sometimes they may change the date, but very often on Wednesday. So as you see the first of the month, you want to quickly check where is the ADP when the ADP Non Farm Employment Change release. What this news is doing, all right, is a preliminary indication for the biggest economy news that we have also on the first week of the month, but which is released on Friday. So on the first Friday of the month, very often, let's click on the calendar here because I'm on Tuesday here, you see, today's. So I click on calendar and I see more data. All right. So I'm going to Friday. Here it is, Friday. High impact news, red envelope here, plenty of them. This is a non-farm employment change due at 8:30 a.m. Eastern Time on the first Friday of each month. This economy news is released, and you want to know. This is the biggest economy news that you don't want to forget and you don't want to ignore. So the ADP non-farm employment change is a leading indicator for the non-farm employment change, but sometimes the ADP non-farm employment change will be accurate, which means it will forecast accurately what is likely to happen on Friday. But it's not always the case. Sometimes they will forecast that, the data will be bullish, but when Friday comes, the data is bearish. Sometimes the ADP will forecast that, Friday, the non-farm employment change due on the first Friday of the month will be, bearish, but come Friday, the data will be bullish. So we don't take it as, an excellent indicator, but the market is aware of it. But this economy news is high impact news due on the first Wednesday of the month, and you want to know if you do not take into consideration, this high impact news, the ADP non-farm employment change, you cannot be on top of FX trading. How do you handle it? You just know that this economy news is a high impact news. What is happening? The speculators or the gamblers, the aggressive market participants, they will check. This is the previous figure. So on the far right hand side, we have the previous figure. In the middle, we have the forecast. And then here, we are waiting for the actual figure, which will be released today at 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time. That's 1:15 p.m. London time. You see, first Wednesday. So the speculators will check. So the previous figure is 2004K, which means 2004,000. Now the forecast is 2007. So the forecast is superior to the previous figure. The speculator will assume that, it's bullish, and they will start buying the dollar because it's about a job creation, the non-farm job creation. All right? They will start buying. If, for instance, the forecast is inferior to the previous figure, the speculators, the aggressive traders, the gamblers will assume, that, the data is bearish, and they will start selling the dollar. For today, the forecast superior to the, previous figure, the speculators, the aggressive traders, the gamblers, will assume that, the data on Friday will be bullish. So they will start buying, the dollar. All right? You want to understand what is taking place in this messy market, so you may, flow with the market. The beauty, the gorgeousness of the market patterns, it allows us to know what is the market sentiment. If the price is in a rising channel, theoretically speaking, the market sentiment is bullish. If the price is in a declining channel, theoretically speaking, the market sentiment is bearish. If the price is in a horizontal channel, theoretically speaking, the market sentiment is balanced. It's neither bullish, it's neither bearish. So we are just in a balanced market. Both bulls and bears, have equal influence in the market, theoretically speaking. But you are looking at the 2-hour chart. It's just a piece of the picture. You can go to the weekly chart to see the market sentiment. At least during the week, check the weekly market pattern. So you are aware of the weekly market sentiment, and you check the daily market sentiment, And at the time when you are about to enter the trade, at the time frame that you are looking on, at the time when you want to buy, the market sentiment should be bullish on that time frame. Enough for technical trading. We are talking about to be on top of Forex trading. So you are somebody who understands technical trading and you are doing very well. You can trade, which means some days you will have a profitable weeks, all right? And sometimes you give everything back. And you are going up and down, which means you need to upgrade your skills. You need to be on top of the game and play it like the market movers. The market movers are not ignoring these high impact economy news. And the first one I want you to understand and to be aware of is the ADP Non Farm Employment change due on the first, Wednesday of each month. There is a technical trading tool that I have created, which we call the RTS, Romeo Tango Sierra 315. RTS 315 free trading system. Google it. This will bring you, or you go directly to www.stochasticmarket.com. Click on Documents. Now, a page will open asking you to put a username and a password. Because you are new, if you are not yet a member, register for free. Once you register for free, come back again, log in, and then log in with your username and your password, and then click on Document. All right, and then go and download for free the RTS 315. After that, go to George Rio channel and check the video that are called how to trade high impact economy news like professional traders. The strategy that you will use using the RTS 315 is that one will wait. So the news is due today at 1:15 p.m. London time. You will wait until 1 minute. So you wait until 1:14 before you place the trade using the RTS 315. After watching the video that I called to you, I explained to trader how to trade high impact news or how to trade ADP Non Farm Employment change. These are two videos that you can check and you may understand where I was explaining to traders how you can place a trade 1 minute before the news is due using the RTS 315. All right. So to be on top of the FS trading, one must combine the technical and the fundamental. Talking about the technicals trading, we do not want to violate the market pattern. You want to buy at a support level. So here it is. If you are desperate to buy, you see here you find the support here, you are desperate to buy, you want to give it a chance near the median line where the median line of this channel where people are buying it. If you want to sell it, people are selling on the edge of the top one here. Myself, I'm not very, because the price trying to hit the level of 11068. 11068. That's what the market is pushing it up to, 11068. All right. So this is what's going on now. Now the next thing you want to do is to check Forex Factory beginning of the week and each day. The news that are already released, you are aware of them, because the market sentiment is always dynamic. So people know that yesterday there was some economy news. What was the impact? They do not forget it. So as the more economy news are released, they are adding them to the news that are already released to make an intelligent decisions. All right. So today is the ADP Non Farm Employment change day. You don't want to forget it. You want to be aware of it. Sometimes, if you don't want to play it, just wait until the news is released, see the volatility, so that there will be a volatility, blah, 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 and then the price settle. If it's bearish, wait for it at least to pull up into the zone of 61.8%, and then check it from there, receive a valid signal, because the market sentiment is bearish, now you receive a valid sell signal on the edge at the resistance zone, you play it. If the news is very, very bullish, after the dust has settled, or maybe some days has passed, and then the price pull back nicely near support level, and then you play it from there. I hope you have learned something from this video also about how to be on top of FS trading, part 1. Until the next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. We are the GSTW 24 traders. Please stay with us as we will be recording the second part of this video, or this series of video that we call How to Be on Top of FX Trading. Happy trading to you all, and I speak to you soon.